Hey, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got something truly exciting to talk about. The Apple iPad 10th generation. Whether you're a creative professional, a student, or just someone who loves cutting-edge technology, this device has something for everyone. So, let's jump right in and explore what makes the iPad 10th Gen stand out in the tech world. At the heart of the Apple iPad 10th Gen lies the powerful A14 Bionic Chip. This powerhouse ensures lightning-fast performance, making multitasking a breeze. Whether you're editing videos, playing graphics-intensive games, or running multiple apps simultaneously, the A14 chip delivers a seamless experience. Prepare to be mesmerized by the stunning 10.9-inch Liquid Retina display. With vibrant colors, true-to-life details, and an immersive viewing experience, this display takes your content to a whole new level. Whether you're binge-watching your favorite shows or creates digital art, the Liquid Retina display ensures every moment is visually captivating. Security meets convenience with Touch ID. Unlock your iPad, secure apps, and make purchases with just a touch. It's fast, it's reliable, and it puts your privacy at the forefront. Say goodbye to complicated passwords and hello to a seamless, secure experience. For the photography enthusiasts out there, the iPad 10th Gen doesn't disappoint. Capture crystal-clear selfies with the 12MP front camera and take stunning photos with the 12MP rear camera. Whether it's a video call or a scenic snapshot, the iPad ensures your moments are captured in clarity. Stay connected with Wi-Fi 6, ensuring fast and reliable internet wherever you go. And with the all-day battery life, you can leave the charger behind and focus on what matters. Work, play, or create, the iPad 10th Gen keeps up with your lifestyle. And there you have it, folks, the Apple iPad 10th generation. A device that seamlessly blends power, style, and functionality. If you're as impressed as we are, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more tech insights, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, stay tech savvy.